Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
There are rotating body. You can mention here rotating body. Say here I can remove this line. I can put something whatever I want. If you want to insert image, go to insert image, browse here. So this is the image that I want to send. So if I preview it, it will be look like this thing. You can just format it yourself. And options, you can attach files, and you can even schedule your message to a particular time, and to a different contact group. I mean, I will tell you what a contacts here are. I have these much contacts, and what actually matters is the email. You can optionally have field 1, field 2. Maybe you can store here telephone number, IP address, first name, last name, SSN, or anything you want. If you want from import from Excel here. So now to send mails, I simply have to do one thing. Let me mail these things to this software update mail. If I click right click, view the same mail I want to send. See, there are there are three modes in sending mails. So once you start sending mails, run this Gmail checker in parallel so that it prevents accounts from getting blocked. Settings is the delay between mails. This delay between mail is 12 or 10 seconds, whatever. Let's close it for some time. Just stop checker also. And here delay between when one mails one, what will the second mail go. So if you want to have some unique header, you should basically change it slightly. And additional header, if you want additional headers to your mails, that to go. And there are a lot of things that you can do in it, like character set, and from mail use it only needed. And licensing, here you can enter sub name, you can save it, and even you can close this. See, new name is reflecting there. And if you want to verify emails, you have to just simply click this arrow and see these are automatically blacklisted. System says these are not existing, so I usually prefer this one, verify them. And for these I can simply tell these are blacklisted mails, add to blacklist. This one, it will show you more mails that are there that don't exist or from the server. See, like this is existing. uh, Similarly, log shows what is going on in your system. And like this is valid, this is valid. Okay, so you can delete, you can put these to blacklist, whatever. And you can have incorrect mails or correct mails, you can figure out here. You can export them. Anyway, let's cancel this. Let us move to now email extractor. Here basically you have to click create this Google search key. See, I have given some phrases. See, I have given some here you go keywords, and then click this search button. Like you see, mails are getting extracted. Here sometimes it gives some error. You have to go to here, click create key. It shows, this document shows you in detail how to create a key. But if you move to software right now, you enter those keys here, then see these mails you have added to your system. I will tell you some more interaction system. Suppose if I go to here, if you go to starting link, see it gets those uh, different web pages in it, and here you can extract from below. You can give a one by one link, or other way would be, if you are here, see if you check some logs are there. These are some logs, some URLs. So you want to extract from this link also, you can simply go here and type here and click go button. Let us move to this social networking. Here I have given some hashtags and some URL that I want to promote. User ID and password of the Twitter account. Click horizontal shuffle, click this shuffle, click save, click close, click post messages. This will automatically post your messages on Twitter, all the messages one after the other. This is the mail that I have sent 4 seconds back. See video, this is automatically hash keywords. See, if you go to this thing, any of the hashtags, then it will our go searchable. So that means more business for you from Twitter. See our, if you here in this hashtag, we can also find our this message, how many people have liked our messages. Use a new template here, new message, template, find template. I usually use this one. It shows how to use contacts, how to use different templates. Now for this AB message, AB object, let me have some fields FF, GG, YY. I will show you how to do it later. Go to easy send, select email. See, send it to this. Mail has gone there. See, it has got there. Field different fields from contact screen. Field 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. They have been automatically substituted here. Similarly, uh, sending time is substituted there. And what all the things, email address of the receiver, that means this one, automatically unsubscribe. So user can click unsubscribe here automatically, this one. And if somebody replies it, reply ID is basically reaches on the settings mails, that is one you mentioned in settings here. You can change it in corporate version. Other things that I can explain you is the bounce checker. Here I can check a bounces from any sort of any account or all my Gmail or Yahoo accounts, and it will show me which mails got bounced, so that I can delete them from my mail list. You can also create bounces from any POP based or imap based uh, website or a SMTP server. So like these are bouncy mails. See, I can easily check why they are got bouncy, and you can simply add them to the blacklist. Okay, right click here, you will go all logs, that is mails that are different sent by this application. So if you can see, for easy send, if I go to this thing, if I otherwise super fast mode, if I select it this time, it will send many mails in parallel. So you can check logs, what mails as our system has sent. See, let me import from some different contact group right now. Okay, see, let me now try to send BCC mode, say 80 at a time. Health of senders here, you can check automatically log into your Gmail Yahoo account or Yahoo by clicking login. It prevents your accounts from getting blocked. You can check your Yahoo inbox here, what mail was sent, why. You can also get latest mail from Gmail. Uh, Once you purchase AB bulk mailer from our website, we'll send you an email containing link of the software and license. So first step is to go to license, click on download, and it will ask you some from options. I am opening from Internet Explorer. You can use any one. Click save as, go to desktop, select desktop here, and click on save button, and in the meantime it will get downloaded on your computer here. And if you go to same mail, here is a link. If you click on it, it will take you, or you can download this save as desktop, or you can simply copy this link, or maybe in your Chrome you can, in your Firefox you can paste it. So once you do it, so it is getting completed, click run, and this way you are installing the software. So you need only two things. First is this setup file, and second is the license file. So store this somewhere for future use. Let the software install, and then it will, sometimes it asks you for .NET profile. You need to get .NET framework 4.0 client profile. Say this is the, let us now register the software. So you have to go to register. Either you select browse and go to desktop and select this file, or just simply click this, enter any name you want, So registration is complete. You can change reply ID here of your mails, or you can even automatically get it rotated. It is sort of three choices: one in settings, one as sender, and one in this by this list of emails. Okay, but we'll prefer using settings here. You can even change it maybe to your website name, contacts. Let me show you. You can even save them to your files, maybe export to desktop file, give it any name. Suppose you create a new contact group here, new contact group G whatever. So this is now empty contact group. Go to here, see, we just created this 123 file. Click this much from here and just paste. You can paste a lot of things, sort of stuff here. So you can also, in easy send, you can also right click and clear and right click paste and send mails to them, whatever you want. In this SMTP server, you can mention a use order, maybe when this is used, when this is used. So you can mention order of using it. You can mention the limits that you are of your mails. You may set an SMTP active, inactive. It's a very simple thing. Suppose I don't want this account to be used, right? Now I can also this right click and export them to file, maybe to file, and later if I want to import them, I can click import, select pop server and click browse and select that file, and all mails are sent. Let us assume this case. Now when you try to send mails to this an email, see, system will show you some dialog, this sort of dialog. It shows, it will automatically wait till the server is available and then send mails. You can, even if such case occurs, maybe you can do something like, and it will automatically try to send mails once it is there. For the mailing history, you can check what mails are being sent and whether you want to delete those, or you mark those inactive. For this email verify, you can have a lot of import from choice. So suppose if this is, you can mark as suspicious, it will automatically come here. And similarly for Facebook poster, here also you can enter user password, and when you post to the Facebook, it will automatically post a messages to the Facebook normally, like Twitter accounts. So in the meantime, let me close this. So we'll focus on this. We have different rotating subjects, rotating bodies, and you can do a lot of spam check here. Spam check for subjects and body. You can make unique all the mails. See if I have this thing, how to make unique. Even if I am here, I am clear here, I can make all these mails unique by make unique. It search it it inserts this see, okay, so you gotta play around it. And similarly you can also do one thing, you can schedule mails here by going options, scheduled, enabled. Maybe I want to schedule after say when it goes 36, and next time suppose to this contact group and click save. Now this is a marketing name. Suppose I want to test mail. So in the meantime, once this comes 136 comes, I will show you. See, you will see mails will be going on. As you see, it has started mail sending. It will automatically show you the subject, and click send it normally. Replying ID here, you can also change reply rotation. Even you cannot unset it. Sometimes you will not see that reply ID is working. You just have this choice. Reply ID is not working, and you can even change the theme of your application. You can have your own theme. Say this is my one of the color that edit HTML. If you are HTML expert, you can also make changes in the HTML part of it, whatever. So like I put it there. And tracking here, you need to create a database table, and you will create a URL on your website. You will upload these 3 files on your website, and you are done for tracking. And other is this, I want to discuss very important issue here, spend tax. See, if I enable spend tax for it, I will tell you what is spend tax. You go to link view what is spend tax link. If we have this thing, this enormous string, see, let me try to insert it in my message. See, suppose I have an image also in this. Let's take the scan you're seeing in a very general way how it works actually. See, let's assume this is an image that is here. Control V here. See, let's make image much shorter, and we'll discuss what it is all about. See, click save. Now go to span tax. If I click and it will show me, let me see how it will work. See, this is the original HTML that is there, original that we have entered. See, first mail will have this image and this text, this sentence, and second image have, see, sentence is automatically changing, okay, for every mail that is sent. Okay, you can write anything in these sentences, like or even you can repeat it. You can search internet for how to do it. There are a lot of syntaxes that you can say use. Maybe I can remove this. If I click it now, save. See, the braces should be balanced properly. Let me show what it gets on me now. See, second line, this is original. This is second line, world is awesome man. This is third, world is awesome. 10th, world is God is great. So you need to enable this, but check it first. Similarly here, if you have DTD, you can just use it here, or if you are HTML programming, touch it, otherwise leave it blank. Then if you are trying to send message, suppose internet getting down while you are sending messages, see, then system will automatically show you some dialog that mail could not be sent. Once the internet is back, you can just see it will keep on sending this will automatically go and mail would be sent. So it is done now. Logs are an important part of here. If you click on it, if you go to logs here, they are very important thing. You can delete mails, different mails that were sent by different senders, delete them or mark them as inactive. Contacts, if you go to contacts again, I will show how to unsubscribe a mail. See, suppose you have got a mail from someone, that to unsubscribe this mail, so best way is you maintain a centralized blacklist, and here you can maybe delete all blacklisted mail. See, one mail is gone. Similarly, you can unsubscribe it here. And also for online unsubscription link, I will tell you, if you go to here, insert unsubscribe link, it will show you in detail how this you can put this automatic unsubscription link, so that system people can automatically unsubscribe from your website. Even if your website doesn't handle unsubscription, you can mention the link. So you should start with http and / and anything after that, whatever. Then moving back to headers again, here you can use additional headers, and if you face problem you don't need to use it. And you can export all your data to files. Here essentially all your contact groups are in CSV files, and see, this is a messages here. These are different messages, and this is 3 messages here. This is the subjects and bodies are there, and this is basically HTML body. So in case software breaks down, you can just copy this much part. See this much part. See, I will tell you, if software breaks down somewhere, you can simply go to new message, edit HTML, click here, okay, it will automatically come. Okay, so you can buy this software at this abbulkmailer.com online, and thank you for your patience.